Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how do we take the final semester exams on Sir Syed University of Engineering and Technology virtual learning environment for exams. Log into the exams portal, enter your username and your password, click on login. On your dashboard page, if you're not able to see the left pane, click on the button here on the top left so the left pane gets maximized again. Under My Courses, you would be able to see all the courses that you're enrolled in. Click on the course for which the final semester exam is scheduled for. There would be a link under the exam that would take you to the final semester exam that would consist a question paper. Once you click on that, it would either get downloaded as a PDF or it would get opened up in a new separate browser tab. Once you're done completing all the answers to the questions, click on Add Submission so that you can add the submission for the answers to all the questions for that exam that you took. There's a limitation for a maximum file size that you're uploading of 10 MB, and you can upload no more than 5 files. Either you can drag and drop your answer sheet in the designated area, or you can click on Add a File icon here. Click on Upload File, click on Browse, browse where your answer sheet is designated, click on Open. You can rename it as you wish, and click on Upload File. Once done, click on Save Changes. Once done, you can see that there are file submissions to the exam that you took. If you want to edit them again or view them, you can click on Edit Submission. And you can take a look again at the answer sheets that you uploaded. When satisfied, click on Save Changes. If you want to remove a submission, you can do that in the Edit Submission page or just click on Remove Submission. That would get rid of both the answer sheet that have been uploaded. Once you click on Submit Assignment, you will not be able to edit these submissions again or upload more answers to the questions for the exam that you took. So be careful, once you click on Submit Assignment, you will not be able to undo that again. Once satisfied with the answers, click on Submit Assignment. It would ask you for a confirmation. Once satisfied, click on Continue. And the submission status, that would get changed to Submitted for grading. That's it.